How to create Garena account. So if you want to create a Garena account, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to go with your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and search for create Garena account. And after that, go with account.garena.com, which is Garena's account center. Or you can also just scroll down a bit, and here you will have Garena registration. So click on the registration section. And once it takes you to the registration, now to create your account, you need to first enter your username. So enter the username that you're comfortable with. And after that, go with password. So create a password. And after that, re-enter your password. And after that, enter your email address and choose your country or your region. And if you want to link your mobile number, you can also link your mobile number, but it's optional. And after that, click on register now and your account will be created. You might receive a code on your email or your mobile number that you've entered, and you need to enter the code. And after entering that code, you might need to verify with CAPTCHA and your account will be created. So that's how you can register or create an account with Garena. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.